conspiracy charges against senior BJP leader LK Advani and others may be revived in the Babri masjid demolition case. This is what the Supreme Court has hinted at today. An order on the 22nd of March will reveal whether or not Mr Advani and other leaders will face charges. Mr Advani and a dozen others were discharged by a court of conspiracy charges, and the main case against car sevaks or Hindu activists accused of actually bringing that 16th century mosque in Ayodhya down in December 1992 is pending in the Lucknow trial court. Let's now go across to my colleague Vaidyanathan, who's in fact been reporting this for us for the last half an hour or so. Vaidya, first and foremost, this seems to have really far-ranging and serious implications. Take us through what happened in court today.
In fact, the case was listed. CBI has filed an appeal against the dropping of charges upheld by the Allahabad High Court. Today, when the case was taken up, one of the judges basically told CBI saying that we will not accept the dropping of charges on technical grounds. There must be a joint trial. So immediately Mr. KK Venugopal, senior advocate who appearing for Mr. Advani, opposed it strongly and said that you can't pass orders like that. And he said that around 183 witnesses who had already deposed in this conspiracy case in Rai Bareli will have to recall. Then court said, okay, we will hear this case on final hearing on March 22nd and pass orders. So it basically means, but court is hinting its mind very well, but till we get an order on March 22nd can't be said anything. But it seems that court is going to combine both these charges, reviving the conspiracy charges against Advani, Mr. Murli, Manohar, Joshi, Bharti and a host of others, and probably there may be a joint trial. But for that we will have to wait till 22nd of March. Natasha?
Right, Vaidya. So you're saying that there is a hint and indication from the court, but like you're rightly pointing out, we'll have to wait till the 22nd of March to see just what the court orders. Now, for the benefit of our viewers, Vaidya, remind us about this case. So there was a conspiracy case that was broken up into, and then, of course, the actual raising of the mosque. Is that so?
Exactly. In fact, December 6, 1992, when the Babri masjid was demolished, there were two FIRs filed. One, conspiracy charges against Advani, Bharti, Murli, Manohar, Joshi and others. So another FIR was on the car sevaks who demolished them. So when the case was transferred from UP police to CBI, the government will have to bring some notification. But interestingly, that notification transferred only one case, the car sevaks case, to CBI. So when the CBI filed a joint charge sheet combining all this conspiracy as well as car sevaks, then the trial court said CBI doesn't have any jurisdiction because the case which CBI is supposed to handle is only the car sevaks, not the conspiracy charges. So they quashed that FIR. So when CBI went to High Court, Allahabad High Court also upheld in 2010 saying that this has been dropped because CBI doesn't have jurisdiction. So that's why CBI came to Supreme Court saying that this can't be done just based on the technical grounds. So that case is going on here. Now the Supreme Court hinting that there will be a joint trial and probably Advani and other BJP leaders will have to face trial on conspiracy charges.